हेलो एवरीवन, बेबी लवर्स अर्पिता में आपका स्वागत है। मैं अर्पिता आपको इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ नेशनल बर्ड पीकॉक के बारे में। चलिए देखते हैं पीकॉक की कुछ खास बात। नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ इंडिया इज द इंडियन पिफॉल, commonly termed as peacock. Peacock, a symbol of grace, joy, beauty and love, is the national bird of India. Common name Indian peafowl. Scientific name Peacock cristatus. Average lifespan 15 to 20 years in wild. Peacock was adopted as national bird in 1963. The national bird of a country is designated representative of the country's fauna. Vividly colorful and exuding odors of grace, the Indian peafowl commands a lot of attention. The peacock and its colors are synonymous with Indian identity. Indian peafowl were initially indigenous to the Indian subcontinent. Currently, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. There is some color variation found in Indian peafowl species. The Indian peacock are best known for the beautifully elegant display of feathers, the evolution of which is believed to be driven by sexual selection. Peacock are omnivorous in their feeding habit and survive on insects, seeds, fruits, and even small mammals. Threats towards the Indian peacock rise due to the demand for the beautiful feathers to be used for decorative purpose. They are hunted and killed by poachers for meat as well. The Indian peacock has been granted special conservation efforts owing to its status as the national bird of India. Hunting of the national bird is illegal. The peacock has been a prominent feature in Indian literature, as its resplendent beauty is a source of inspiration for many. In popular legends, when the peacock displays its glorious plume, it's a sign of rain. The peacock and its feather motifs are a prominent feature in Mughal architecture. The peacock and the peacock feather is still a popular motif to be used in logos, textile patterns as well as designs. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा।